Good morning. Today we are going to learn about SQL joins. So, in order to perform the join operation on SQL server, we need to have a common columns in both the tables. You want to join tables, table A, B, or a table A, B, C, whatever it may be. So, if you want to join those tables, means we should have a common column in all the tables. Then only we can able to join the tables. So we have a four types of joins. First one join is the left join, right join, left join, right join, inner join, and full join. Left join, right join, inner join, and full join. So first we'll see here. So if you want to perform the left join operation, means we should have we should have two tables. The two tables must have a minimum of two tables must have a common column. Table A and table B must have a common column. So now if you perform the left join, means it is going to display all the values from left side table. All the values from this table, left side table, only matched records from right side table. Only matched records from right side table. All the records from left side table, only matched records from right side table. So in case of right join, it is going to display all the records from right side table, this table, and only match records from left side table. Only match records, this record from left side table. Left side table. So if you perform the full join operation means it is going to display all the records from table A as well as all the records from table B. Table B, non-matched values are there, both the tables, then it is going to display non-matched values as the null values. Non-matched values as the null values. Null values. Okay. Suppose if you want to perform the inner join operation on both the tables, means in inner join is going to display only matched records. Inner join only matched records. These records going to be displayed. Matched records from both the tables only displayed in case of inner join operation. This is all about joins which are using in our SQL server. So now let me explain the syntax also. So the syntax of this joins is a select column names, which columns you want to display. Select column names, which columns you want to display. Next, from table A or table 1, on which join we are going to use. Full join, left join, right join, whatever it may be. Here we are going to apply our join condition. Next, table 2, on here we need to specify the common column of table A and the table B. Common column. So let me show it in my SQL server so that you can able to understand it very clearly. Let me share my SQL screen. So see here I have a two tables. Here I have a two tables. Table 1 is employee 1, 2, 3. This is my first table, employee 1, 2, 3. It's consisting of a 3 records. And table XX also consisting of 3 records. Table XX also consisting of 3 records. So both the tables having the common column as EID here and EID here. So based on this common column, I am going to perform the join operation. For that, first select. So I am going to display the column names of ename. Next esal from first table, and also I am going to display the city column from the second table. City and country also, country columns from the second table. So from both the tables, I am going to display two columns, two fields. So now here from I'm going to write the table 1. Table 1 is EMP 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here I am supplying the condition, that is first I am going to perform inner join. Inner join operation. Inner join. So that inner join, my table, second table is XX. On what condition? On my table number one is EMP123 dot EID common column equals to XX dot EID, another common column. Okay, so I'm going to display these two. So you see here, I'm going to run the entire query so that you can able to understand very easily. You see here, So this is my first table and this is my second table. So what is it going to do? Inner join is going to display only the matched records from both the tables. So matched records based on EID. So EID 101, EID 101 record is this one, and its name is ABC. So one ABC, its salary is southern city is Hyderabad and the country is India. Next I have 101. Again I have 101. That's why ABC Hyderabad India. Next I have 103. Here I have 103 and its name is ABC, AAB, and its city is Mumbai. 103 city is Mumbai. Like that it is going to display only matched records from both the tables. Okay, this is about inner join. Next I'm going to display left join. So it is going to display all the values from table A, left side table. See here in my output file, it is going to display all the values from left side table. So this is my left side table. So here I have XXY, ABC, AAB. So XXY, ABC, AAB, all the values. Only matched record from right side table. Which one is a matched record? And these two are the matched records. These two are matched records from the right side table. Okay, 101, 101, and 101, 101 matched record is this one, AAB. Sorry, ABC, and here that's why we got ABC 2 times matched record. Okay, this is about a left join. So if you have a right join, means just right join. Just type the right join and execute the same query. You see here. So all the matched records, only 3 records from the right side table, 3 records. Hyderabad and Mumbai, 3 records. Country is India. Only matched records means these two only. 1, 2, these two only. What about this one? This 103. 103 also matched record. No? That's why it is going to display. ABC. Okay, right. This side matched record. ABC 101, 101, 100, 101. Only matched record. Next one is full join. Just see here, full join. It is going to display all the values from both the tables, and non-matched values are represented with null. See here. So non-matched values are represented with nulls. This one is null and this one is also null, not matched. That's why it is going to display as null value. So this is about joins, SQL joins. If you have any doubts, please post your message in comment section.